How to do green screen in Capcut. Open the Capcut app. Click on New Project. Select the background first. Click on Add. Play the clip. Delete the ending. Now click on Overlay. Click on Add Overlay. Select the video. Click on Add. Play both the videos. Adjust both the videos. Delete the extra part of video to make both videos each length. Click on second video. Select the option Background Remover. Click on Chroma key. Place the circle on green screen. Click on Intensity and increase it. You can see green screen disappears. That's how you can do green screen in Capcut. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.